Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these nails right here. I've never done like a DIY kind of video here on my channel, but today I decided to show you guys how I get my press-ons at home, how I file them, how I cut them, how I do them, how I paint them, everything. I'm gonna go step by step on how to achieve this, and trust me when I tell you that if I could do it, you could do it as well. This is a super quick, easy tutorial where if you are either on a budget, if you do not want to go to the nail salon every 2 weeks and get a fill, because I know that can get pricey, especially if you do not have a job or you're in school or something like that and you just like to get your nails done and you want to look put together and you want to look glam, then this video is definitely for you, because in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to get these ballerina nails. These are definitely super extra long ballerina. These are not thick at all, but they are very sturdy, and I promise you, you will not break a nail. Like, I promise you. So anyways, if you want to learn how to recreate these nails, or if you want to know the products that I used, or if you just want to hang out with me and see the video, then let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and take acetone, and I'm going to go ahead and remove anything that I have on my actual nails. So once I put some acetone on my nails, now I'm just going to go ahead and file my own nails real quickly. So now we're going to move on to the actual nail set, and then this is the nail set that I got off of Amazon. It comes with 500 pieces, and I love this shape more than anything, because I don't know if this happens to you guys, but when you guys go to the nail salon and you guys ask for like a tapered square shape, they always go with like coffin. You know, I feel like they get that mistaken, and this is actually not coffin, this is ballerina. So I'm going to show you what the actual nail looks like. I'm just going to pick a random one. So this is what the shape looks like. I absolutely love this shape. I feel like it's more of like a tapered kind of nail. So now I'm going to go ahead and pick my sizes for my hand, and then it's really easy to pick a size because they do have a little number at the tip of the nail, so it's going to be perfect for you to size your finger or whatever. So I'm just gonna go ahead and size mine real quick. Okay guys, so now I have my set of nails picked already. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take the nail and I'm gonna go ahead and file the tip. You can obviously file it down to whatever size you want. I kind of want to try the long nails. I don't know, we'll see right now, but I am going to file them real quickly. Okay, so now I have filed them, and I obviously measured that both sides of the nails are like perfect and good to go. Now what you can do, if you want to make the tip not so sharp, you can obviously use a buffer. I don't have a buffer, so I'm not going to be using that. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the glue that we're going to be using. So I'm going to be using this one. I did went ahead and try to glue one already, so I know that the glue is super strong, and it's the maximum speed sets in 3 seconds, super strength, and it's this one right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and glue all of the nails real quick. Yeah. This is what one hand is looking like. So I'm going to be using white nail polish, and I'm going to take this one right here. It's just an all white. It's not the best. I will say it's a very chunky formula, so if you can get a different white nail polish, then just do so. But that's the only one that I have right now. Actually, I don't have any other nail polish. It's crazy. And then I'm going to be using this one right here. I mentioned this in one of my favorites videos, so if you guys watch my beauty videos, then you guys might have seen this one right here. This is the Sally Hansen Insta Dry Top Coat. This will literally make the nail polish dry in a matter of seconds. So this is what I'm going to use as a top coat. I'm going to go ahead and shake it up a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and start painting my hand. Yeah. So I already went ahead and painted both sides. I'm obviously not done because, as you guys can see, I messed up and I have white almost in like every nail. Like right here it's on my skin, and then right here it's on my skin. So I do need to like go back in there and clean that up. And I'm gonna go ahead and see if I could do it with this flat definer brush. If I can't, then I do have a different one, but I'm gonna see if I could do it with this one first. I'm just gonna go ahead and wet the brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and clean where I got it all over the place, which is basically on my skin. I obviously need some cleaning on my skin, but once I wash my hands, that's gonna be gone. So I'm obviously going to keep them like this for a couple of days, just for the purpose of the video, for me showing you guys how to put them on and everything. And trust me when I tell you that if I was able to do this, you can too. It feels so much more lightweight than actual acrylic nails, which is what I like. They're not thick at all, but they are very, very sturdy. So there is some thickness to them, but they're not as thick as acrylics. So yeah, I actually really, really like them. Let me know if you're going to try this at home. Let me know if you already tried this at home, and let us know what products work out for you. With that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. So let me know if you guys like these DIY videos. And with that being said, I will catch you guys very soon in my next one. Bye guys.